Hey guys, next up we got to review the law of cosines. So we're going to start with a nice, neat, non-right triangle. All right, Xander? Okay, so now what we're going to do is, hey Marley, you going to come help? Go ahead and put some letters on there. Let's label our corners, our vertices. So put a capital A, B, and C all the way around. So there's an A, all right, put another one there. Oh, capital B and capital C. Pretty good. So we have angles A, B, and C. The law of cosines has to do with the sides that are opposite. So here's lowercase a, lowercase b, and lowercase c. So we've got these angles, this angle C goes with that angle, side C, right? You want to draw a line between the angle and the side? Okay, so we know angle C goes with
Side C.
Side C. Angle A goes with
Side A.
Angle B goes with
Line B.
side B. Okay. Now, do you know the Pythagorean theorem? Do you want to learn it? All right. Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's Pythagorean theorem. And that works for right triangles, but only right triangles, right? So if I change it and I write minus 2ab cosine c. Yeah, back up, Xander, so they can see it. Yeah. 2ab cosine c. That works for all triangles now. The law of cosine says that c squared, one side, is equal to a side squared plus the other side squared minus 2ab cosine c. And I can use that to solve all kinds of non-right triangles. So here we have our first example problem using the law of cosines. Now, we've got, let's see, what are the angles for this triangle? What do they call them? What letter is it?
PQR.
So this is triangle PQR, right? Now it's not a right triangle, but I can use the law of cosines to find out the side x. Here's the trick. I'm going to relabel angle R because it's opposite the side I don't know. Hey Xander, can you draw a line between the side I don't know and the angle? Let's draw that line in there so we remember they're connected. Thank you. Yeah, we all want to avoid that 50. Now since they're related, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to relabel this as angle C and this as side C. Now if you check your textbook, the book has this whole thing about all these variations in the law of cosines. I said, forget all that. Go ahead, the side you want, or if you have all three sides you're looking for some angles, the angle you want. Those are your C's. Because that's C, right? Which one do you want to be A? 6 or 7? 7? Okay, can you put a little lowercase a next to that 7? Okay, there's a little a over there by that 7. I'll put a lowercase b over by the 6. A little bigger so we can see it a little easier. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to write out the law of sines using everything we've got up here. So what that looks like. C squared is equal to a squared, so 7 squared, plus b squared, 6 squared, minus 2. Yeah?
Can I make my A a little bigger?
You want to make your a little bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cosine 50 degrees. Why don't you go ahead and make your a little bigger? You worried they can't see it?
Yeah. Like that.
Okay, that's a bigger a. Right, yeah, let's go back so you can see the problem. So, c squared is equal to 7 squared plus 6 squared minus 2ab cosine c. And now it's just a matter of cranking through, right? I've got n taking the square root when I'm done. Don't forget that guy right there. So let's do a little math, right? 7 times 7 is going to be 49. 6 times 6 is 36. 2 times 7 times 6. Do you know that one? You know, I usually need my calculator too. So let's get the calculator out. Calculator. Let's see here. What did I say? 2 times 7 times 6. 84. Cosine 50.
No.
Hey, Kaylee. You come over and say hi?
No.
Here. Put the markers over here. Come here, Kaylee. What's it wrong?
Haley.
Here we go.
Doing.
Hey, you. Say hi, everybody. We'll be right back. Over there. All right, so we've got the cosine of 50 is 0.64. We still have this over here, so I'm going to take 49. So 49 plus 36. It's going to give me 82. Now, an important part of this whole thing, 49, oops, plus 36 we said was 82. Now, notice this number is bigger than that number, right? What's that?
84.
Is that bigger or smaller than 82?
Bigger.
So can I take 84 away from 82? No. So I got to remember, watch my grouping. I got to make sure I multiply through by this 0.64 before I go and do my subtraction. Otherwise, it's not going to work. I'm going to be taking the square root of a negative number. Can't do that. So, finish this all up. I take my 84 times 0.64. I put them over here to keep them away from Kaylee. That gives me 53. Take that away from 82. This whole thing becomes, so c squared is equal to 28.24. And I'm not quite done yet. If c squared is 28.24, I got to take the square root of that, and I get c is equal to 5.3. That will be my final answer. What you want to watch out for in this, make sure that your, can I have another color? Xander? Give me a color. Okay. Make sure that you're grouping this part together. Because order of operations say you have to deal with multiplication and division before you do adding and subtracting. So you want to make sure you clean this whole thing up before you combine it. So notice down here I've got this, I've got that, and I'm down to my final answer. All right, Xander, you can say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.